Hello and good evening. I'm Amanda Alfonso. You're watching Goa 365. Our headlines at the hour. Government servants in the dock over Bollywood star Sanjay Dutt's registration of marriage in Goa. Introduction of MICR system delays financial transactions. And we also have the movies released at the Inox today. Now the news in detail. Skeletons are falling out from the cupboards of various government servants involved in the marriage proceeding of Bollywood celebrity Sanjay Dutt with his bride Manyata. Sanjay Dutt and Dilnashin Amir Ahmed Sheikh alias Manyata filed their declaration on 7th February this month by apparently producing dubious documents. On closer inspection, it was revealed that Salseth Talati Prashant Kulkolenkar issued a residence certificate to indicate that she is a resident of Ake Alto for the last 6 months. This certificate helped in filing the marriage declaration, as rules provide that either of the parties getting married produce a residence certificate stating that he or she resides in the jurisdiction within the limits of the sub-register. However, the controversy of the issuance of the residence certificate caught the eye of the district collector G.P. Naik, who demanded an explanation from the Salsat Mamladar Paresh Valdesai, who replied that he is not aware as he has not signed the residence certificate. At the same time, Valdesai issued a memo to the Talati Prashant demanding an explanation, who is said to have refused to accept it, thereby invoking the district collector's wrath, who has suspended his service pending inquiry. The collector G.P. Naik informed that the Talati should have insisted on documents like ration card, APIC card, PAN card or even water or electricity bills. Hence the collector is of the opinion that the Talati did not scrutinize the document properly. Then the sub-register is also on the dock for overlooking contradictions in the affidavit filed by Manyata and her residence certificate. While she swears in the affidavit that she is a divorcee, her residence certificate indicates that she is single. The question is, why did the sub-register not insist on a judgment on divorce decree at the time of accepting the marriage declaration form? The district register informed that he is inquiring into the matter and would forward his report to the law secretary. In a related development, Gomantak Times senior reporter Joachim Gracious filed his objection sub-register office against the marriage yesterday, claiming that the residence certificate was allegedly obtained through manipulation as neither of the two were residents of Goa. Meanwhile, Rajya Sabha member Shantaram Naik has requested the collector of South Goa to inquire as to how the actress was issued a residence certificate. Mr. Naik said he is not concerned about the registration of marriage per se, but residence certificate is an important document which, if treated lightly, can create social and economic problems, depriving Goans of their valuable rights. Mr. Naik said that it is high time that a proper legislation is enacted to provide for a foolproof procedure and punishment in case of violation of such procedures. We'll spill into a short break. Stay with us.